Now we will study about bar graph. It is also known as bar chart or bar diagram. It is another method for representation of data. It uses rectangular bars to compare data at a glance. Bar graph consists of two axes, x-axis and y-axis. Now we will learn properties of bar graphs. First is all bars have a common base. This is called base. This is baseline. सारे रेक्टेंगल्स आप इसी लाइन से स्टार्ट करेंगे. Second is the distance or gap between each bar is same. Now see here, the gap between two bars is same. Third is each bar is of equal width. See the width of each rectangle. It is same. Fourth is the height of the bar depends on the value of the data. The longer is the bar, the greater is its value. Means बार की हाइट से डेटा की वैल्यू का पता चलता है. बार लंबी है तो डेटा की वैल्यू ज्यादा है, बार छोटी है तो डेटा की वैल्यू कम है. Now we will start exercise 11.2 and question A is number of cars sold in various cities in the month of February 13 is given below. Represent the data as a bar graph. Let the scale be 1 unit equal to 1000 cars. Now here the data is given city, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Bengaluru and the number of cars sold. Delhi 2500, Mumbai 5000, Kolkata 3000, Bengaluru 4500. Now we will represent this data in the form of bar chart. First of all we will draw two rays on x-axis and on y-axis. As the scale is 1 unit equal to 1000 cars, we will mark the points 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 and 5000. Now I'll see how many cars were sold in Delhi. Now we see that 2500 cars were sold in Delhi. So we'll draw a rectangle up to 2500. So in between 2000 and 3000 there is a line for 2500. So I'll draw a rectangle up to 2500 and write here Delhi. In Mumbai, 5000 cars were sold, so we'll draw a rectangle up to 5000 and write down Mumbai here. In Kolkata, 3000 cars were sold, so draw a rectangle up to 3000 and write down Kolkata here. In Bengaluru, 4500 cars were sold, so we'll draw a rectangle between 4000 and 5000. So this depicts 4500 cars and write down Bengaluru here. Now write down here city and number of cars sold and give a title to the bar graph. Cars sold in February and write down scale 1 unit equal to 1000 cars. Question B is draw a bar graph to represent the production of different food grains. Let the scale be 1 unit equal to 500 kg. Food grains are rice, wheat, maize and pulses. And the quantity produced 3000 kg rice, 3500 kg wheat, 1000 kg maize and 2000 kg pulses. On the basis of given data, we will draw a bar graph. Now scale is 1 unit equal to 500 kg. We will mark the points 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000, 3500 and 4000. Now first of all rice. How much quantity was produced? 3000. We'll draw a rectangle up to 3000. Write down rice here. Now wheat. Wheat is 3500 kg. Draw a rectangle up to 3500 and write down wheat here. Maize is 1000 kg. Draw a rectangle up to 1000 and write down maize here. Pulses are 2000 kg. Draw a rectangle up to 2000 and write down pulses. Write down food grain here and quantity in kg. Give title to the bar graph, production of food grains and write down scale, 1 unit equal to 500 kg. Question C is, a dairy sold the following quantities of milk in a week. Draw a bar graph to represent the data. Choose a scale of 1 unit equal to 50 liters. Now write down day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And quantity in liter, 150 liter, 200 liter, 100 liter, 150 liter, 100 liter, 150 liter and 50 liter. Now draw a bar graph. Draw two rays. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Now scale is 1 unit equal to 50 liters. So write down 50, 100, 150, 200 and 250. Now on Monday 150 liters were sold. So draw a rectangle up to 150. On Tuesday 200 liters were sold. So draw a rectangle up to 200. On Wednesday 100 liters were sold. So draw a rectangle up to 100. On Thursday 150 liters were sold. So draw a rectangle up to 150. On Friday 100 liters were sold. Draw a rectangle up to 100. On Saturday 150 liters were sold. Draw a rectangle up to 150. And on Sunday 50 liters were sold. Draw a rectangle up to 50. Write down days here. Quantity in liter. Give title to the bar graph. Milk sold in a week. And scale 1 unit equal to 50 liters. Question D is the number of people who use the metro at different times on Monday is listed below. Draw a bar graph to represent the data. Take a scale of 1 unit equal to 100 passengers. Now time 6 am, 9 am, 12 noon, 3 pm and 6 pm. And the number of passengers who used metro at 6 am 250, then 500, 450, 350 and 600. Now draw a bar graph using the above data. Now draw two rays. Write on x-axis and y-axis. Now mark the points 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600. Now at 6 am 250 passengers used metro. So draw a rectangle between 200 and 300. This is 250. At 9 am 500 passengers used metro. So draw a rectangle up to 500. At 12 noon 450 passengers used metro. So draw a rectangle up to 450. 450 is between 400 and 500. Then at 3 pm 350 passengers used metro. So draw a rectangle up to 350, that is between 300 and 400. At 6 pm 600 people used metro. So draw a rectangle up to 600. Write time, number of passengers. Give title to the bar graph. People use metro on Monday. Write scale 1 unit equal to 100 passengers. Question is, the marks scored by Tina, Jessica, Murthy and Ganesh in a mathematics test are given below. Draw a bar graph to represent the data. Choose a suitable scale of your own. Now name are Tina, Jessica, Murthy and Ganesh. And the marks scored 85, 100, 50 and 85. Now draw a bar graph using the above data. Draw two rays. Write on x-axis and y-axis. We have taken scale 1 unit equal to 10 marks. So mark the points 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Now how many marks Tina scored? 85. Draw a rectangle up to 85, that is between 80 and 90. Jessica scored 100 marks. Draw a rectangle up to 100. Murthy scored 50 marks. Draw a rectangle up to 50. And Ganesh scored 85 marks. So draw a rectangle up to 85 between 80 and 90. Write on name here and write on marks here. Give name to the bar graph, that is marks scored in a mathematics test, and scale 1 unit equal to 10 marks. Hope all questions are clear to you now. Take good care of yourself. That's all for today. Bye-bye.